Hi there, welcome to Kalari. In this video, let us learn how to make a stop motion video at home using your mobile phone. We all love movies. Most of our movies uses a frame rate of 24 frames per second. 24 frames per second means that 24 frames or pictures are displayed one after the other in 1 second. We are using the same principle here, but the only change is that we create each frame manually. Without further talking, come on guys, let's make this video. First, we will need an idea about what we are going to shoot. Then we fix the camera angle in which we are going to shoot. You can either use a tripod or make an arrangement using cardboard. Here I am going to use a top view and I'll be shooting the navigation of a boat up and down the wave in the ocean, and at the same time a dolphin will dive across the boat. For making this video, we will need some ingredients: a paper boat, a dolphin, a good background, mobile phone with a decent camera, a computer for editing, and an editing software. Here I use Adobe Premiere Pro for editing. Now we are going to make this video. At first, let me click a photo. Now I am going to make a small change in this boat. I push it further forward and click a photo. Now I change a little bit more and click a photo. At this point, we are going to bring out our dolphin. So a small part of the dolphin is out of the wave now. Click. The more photos you click, smoother will be the video. We have two characters in our scene now. We have our boat and our dolphin. You must not forget to make changes in both the characters. Now we have completed capturing the pictures. Let's go to the editing table. We will open Adobe Premiere Pro. Create a new project. Let's give the title Stop Mo and press OK. Now let's open a new sequence. File, New, Sequence. Here we can select the video resolution. I am selecting 1080p 25 frames per second, and we need to name the sequence. We'll give the name as stop motion. Click OK. Now we need to add the images to the project library. Let's go to the images. These are the images we clicked while shooting. Click on the first image and press Ctrl A on the keyboard to select all the images. So we see that we have 99 images. So we have clicked 99 images. Let's drag and drop it on the project library. Let's drag and drop these images onto the timeline. So we are going to place it on the video 1 layer in the timeline. Now we can see a train of images on the timeline. But here the problem is that you can see the image doesn't completely fit on the frame. So we need to resize it. Resizing all these 99 images is a difficult task. So we will resize one image and copy the attributes to other images. So let's select the first image. On the effects control you can see motion. Click on that. Then you can see scale. So let's scale down the image to fit the frame. Now right click on the first image, select copy. Now select all other images other than the first image. Right click on that. From the menu, select paste attributes. Here you can see what all attributes will be copied to these images. Let's click OK. Now you can see that all the images have been scaled to fit the frame. Now the problem is each image is of 5-second duration, which will be a problem for us. So we need to reduce the duration of each image. So we will select all the images. Right click. From the menu select speed or duration. Here we can see the duration is of 5 seconds each. So let's reduce it to 2 milliseconds. Click OK. Now you can see many spikes over here. These spikes are our images of 2 millisecond duration. But you can also see that there are lots of gap between each image. We need to reduce these gaps. Reducing each gap for this 99 images is a difficult task. So we will do something else to reduce these gaps. For that, what we have to do is we have to create an adjustment layer. So you can see below the project library there is an icon new item. Click on the item, then a menu pops up. There you can see sequence, offline file, adjustment layer, title, etc. So select adjustment layer. These are the settings of the adjustment layer. Click OK. So the adjustment layer will be created on the project library. Now drag and drop the adjustment layer to video 2 layer in the timeline. Now we need to extend the adjustment layer beyond the last image. So let's find the last image. So you can see the last image is around 8 minutes 14 seconds. We will extend the adjustment layer till there. We will check if there is any images beyond the adjustment layer. Now select all the images in the video 1 layer and drag and drop it on the adjustment layer. Now drag them back to video 1 layer. So now you can see lots of gap in the adjustment layer. Select all the pieces of the adjustment layer. Right click on the adjustment layer. Select ripple delete. Now you can see all the 99 images placed one after the other with 2 millisecond duration. Now let's render the video before playing. Click X for selecting the render area. You can select the render area by dragging the shaded area till the end of the last image and click enter. So let's see what we have made. You can make the video even more smoother by making minute variations on both boat and dolphin and clicking as much photo as possible. Now let's take the output. Go to File, Export, Media. Here you can see a wide range of formats. I'm going to select H264 and you can see a pretty good collection of resolution presets. I'm going to select HD 1080p 25 frames per second. If you want, you can change the output file name and location. Now click export to make the video. Now let's see the video we made. You can try it yourself and make a cool stop motion video. Add effects to your video, select a cool music and enjoy. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon to get notified when we post more videos. Thank you for watching. Take care.